Yesterday, my hubby and I went on biking. So these are the beauty products that we bought at Watson's Mactan Newtown. Hand sanitizer from Dermaid. Price for this product is 199 pesos. Buy one, take one. Hair mask and argan hair mask by Naturals. Nivea facial sunblock with SPF 50. I've been using this product for more than a year. Vitamin E from Myra E. It's a 400 IU capsule. And Nivea sunblock with SPF 50 for arms and body. Shower makeup, a CC Air Flawless Cream to Powder makeup for 699 pesos. And this Maybelline Mini Blush On for 149 pesos. So that's all. Thanks for watching. Bye!